Are you hot? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my loves. So today we're eating In and Out, and so I got Mariah a hamburger with no cheese or anything.
I don't like cheese.
I know I didn't put cheese. This is Mariah's, and mine has, obviously mine is animal style.
Ew.
Here. That's your burger. Right, can you not move and put it in there? No, just take out the tomato. Don't take the whole thing out. This is my burger. Mmm.
Mom, your face is right there.
Hmm? What? Mmm. Mmm. Good?
Maybe I'll flip it over and we'll buy it.
Hmm?
What the?
So we have our animal style fries. I bit my burger already because it was so hot where we were at, so like we had to leave. We were like literally sweating, so I already bit my burger.
Ugh.
I will probably put those footages at the end or whatever. I don't know. We'll see. How's your burger?
I think it.
Here. Your fries are falling.
No, I don't want it out.
Here. There you go. So, you guys are probably gonna see cars passing by, dogs barking. We haven't had In and Out in a long time. I got her fries well done.
I need a napkin.
Here. Put it down. This is the animal style fries.
So good.
I always get these when I go.
Where's that dog bark coming from?
I don't know.
Maybe that house very bad.
They loaded up on my burger with ketchup. I mean onion ring. I mean, can't even think right now. Pickles. Oh god.
This one's crunchy like yours.
It is I like it.
I sure need more ketchup. I'm running out of ketchup.
So I worked a lot on our yard this weekend. And she was actually out of school for like a week because she had the flu.
Mom, what does that taste like?
Try it. Here. Tell me what you think of it. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. It's kind of soggy. Huh.
Ooh, I got it.
When you get it animal style, your burger, like you have to eat it right away because then it gets super soggy. So it's a mess right now. It's not pretty at all.
Mine's not a mess.
I am. Because I got you a simple burger. I'm not a fan of the fries.
I made my ketchup.
Good for you.
How do you? How does it only open you? I don't want hamburger no more.
Are you done? Just leave it.
For Shadow.
Did your teacher miss you?
Did
your teacher miss you?
Everyone did.
Everyone did? She got to school.
And they miss Henry.
Henry wasn't there either?
Listen.
They were all like, hi, Mariah. Like when she got to school. She was all shy though.
Shy again. Because when I stay home, I get shy.
Why?
Shy, shy, shy.
So like right when we got our food, the line was so long.
Can you bring me the bowl?
Oh man, it's so messy.
Keep it there.
Just see over it right here. Right when we got the food, because the drive-through line was so long, so we went inside and even it took longer too. And right when we got the food, we like went to the car and we tried to park like in the parking under this big shaded tree. It was so nice. And then like right when we parked, someone parked right in front of us and they sat in their car and they rolled down their windows and we were just like, okay. So we drove around and then there was another one with a really big shaded tree. This one was even better. So I go and grab my table, we sit down, and then a car parks right in front of us, like literally right in front of us. I know we complain about people parking by us all the time, every time we do a car mukbang, but she sat right in front of us and she like sat in there and was looking at her phone. So I was like, dude, she's not gonna leave. So we ended up going across the street, and that's probably where you guys see the footage, but it was so hot, couldn't do it.
Burn. Please, burn. Burn.
For now, we're by a park. And there's a bunch of cars.
Is Daddy at work?
Did you like lemonade?
Can I drink it?
Yeah. I told you it's yours.
But I don't want to throw it away.
Okay. So, yeah, this is my burger. It's like, it's eaten. It's just a lot of bread.
Mom, I saw a bird.
Yeah, there's birds out right now.
Look. It's a leg.
So I wanted to give the animal style fries another try, but I honestly don't like them. Like when I go to In and Out, I honestly get their burger and then I go to McDonald's. That's why like I don't go to In and Out as much, because if I go there, I have to have McDonald's fries. Oh my gosh, this whole time that's telling me. So like when I go there, I always have to go and get McDonald's fries and I'll just have their burger, like animal style. Their burger. I always get the McDonald's fries first and then I go get my burger, then we come home. Because I don't really care for their fries. It's not that good. And if you get it well done, it's just crunchy. It was like really like stale. You see that?
That one. This one's not like.
Oh, it's like. Not in that right.
Those ones are not crunchy.
Yeah, those aren't crunchy.
Should they even switch that one in there and put that one in there?
A lot of people really like their fries like this, but I don't. Huh. Which one do you like better? The animal or plain? You like this one?
I found a squishy one.
And we got pink lemonade. That was good. So I did the poll on my community. If you guys don't follow me, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your... Hold on. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell so when I like put up like a poll, you guys can go vote. This is the most popular vote in the first like 30 minutes or something, so we just went with this. And that is it. So if you guys have never tried In and Out burger, I don't feel like you're really missing out on like much. You could just make this at home. These aren't like really that worth it. I don't know. To me, I don't feel like it is. But yeah, you can make this at home, and I think it'd probably be better. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed eating with us. And that is it. I will see you guys in our next video. Bye, loves. Bye. Bye, loves. Bye.